Sharpman for gate 34, ILS 34.
Piedmont 5834, Roanoke Tower, wind 250 at 9er, runway 34, clear to land.
Clear to land, 34, 5834.
And Piedmont 5834, area of heavy to extreme precipitation begins about 3.5 mile final all the way down to the runway.
At ground, Pickle 9.
Pickle 9, ground.
Yes, sir. FICON modems are in the issuing process right now. Both runways are 100% wet. 555.
Pickle 9, roger. Piedmont 5834, not issued on the ATIS yet, but all runways, condition codes 555, 100% wet.
Could I get a wet check, CommuteAir 4339?
CommuteAir 4339, wind on the field currently 250 at 9er.
Roger, thank you, CommuteAir 4339.
You're welcome. CommuteAir 4339, contact tower 118.3.
118.3, CommuteAir 4339. Tower CommuteAir 4339, ILS runway 34.
CommuteAir 4339, Roanoke Tower, wind 250 at 9er, runway 34, clear to land. Area of heavy to extreme precipitation begins about 4 mile final all the way down to the runway.
Clear to land, runway 34, Roger, CommuteAir 4339.
Skies 4792, how's that weather looking now?
And Skies 4792, it is for the most part over the field.
Alright, still moving east, so?
Yeah, firm.
Piedmont 5834, turn right on Bravo, taxi Alpha Foxtrot to the ramp, this frequency.
Bravo, Alpha Foxtrot to the ramp with you, Piedmont 5834.
Piedmont 5834, how are flight conditions on final?
Smooth, but pretty marginal visibility, short final.
CommuteAir 4339, did you copy that?
Hey, Roanoke, CommuteAir 4339, thanks.
Skies 4792, 5 miles from Stephen, turn right direct Stephen, cross Stephen at 5,400, cleared RNAV Zulu, runway 24 approach.
At 5,400, clear for the RNAV Zulu 24, Skies 4792.
Skies 4792, you're going to be experiencing potentially extreme precipitation on final for runway 24, contact tower 118.3.
Yeah, we'd like to discontinue the approach, then maybe go off and hold somewhere until let this weather pass.
Skies 4792, roger, cancel approach clearance, climb maintain, go with 8,000 for now, and since the weather's moving eastbound, did you want to hold for the approach for runway 6?
If that's looking best to you, or we can stick with 240, either one's fine, but we'll climb to 8,000, you want us on this heading still?
And Skies 4792, to remain clear of that, of most of the weather, go ahead and fly heading of 210 to remain clear of the extreme precip.
Roger, climb 8,000, left turn heading 210, Skies 4792.
CommuteAir 4339, tower. UPS 1269, continue standing by. We just had aircraft run up into the EMAS.
Ground, Pickle 9.
Pick 9, Roanoke, ground.
Yes, ma'am. Understand there's an aircraft in the EMAS. Is that correct?
Affirmative, alert 3.
Copy all. The aerodrome is closed. NOTAM NOTAM will be issued shortly.
Affirmative.
And I'm on the air carrier. I'm going to proceed down to 3-4 there at the EMAS.
CommuteAir 4339, Roanoke.
CommuteAir 4339, go ahead.
CommuteAir 4339, are you guys off the end into the EMAS?
Hey, CommuteAir 4339.
Roger, trucks are rolling now.
Thank you.
CommuteAir 4339, when able, say souls on board.
53 still support, CommuteAir 4339.
Any injuries?
Negative injuries, CommuteAir 4339.
CommuteAir 4339, roger.
Scout 4792, we just had an alert 3 on the airfield aircraft accident. I'm unsure on how long it's going to take for the runways to be opened up again. Do you have an alternate that you'd like to fly to?
Now, if it's going to be a lengthy amount of time, we got Charlotte as our alternate.
And Scout 4792, roger. Stand by. I'm going to reroute you to Charlotte. What altitude would you like to go to?
Scout 4792, our release is showing us a flight level 220 for our alternate.
Skywest 4792, you said flight level 220?
That's correct. I just confirmed the runways are going to be closed for a while due to an accident. Is that what you said?
Skywest 4792, affirmative.
Why don't you, we got the gas to hold here for a minute. Why don't we hold somewhere just so we can coordinate, get our ducks in a row?
And Skywest 4792, roger. I'm going to have you hold on the approach for runway 6. Turn right direct exune, hold as published, maintain 8,000.
Ground AR2, I would like to relocate to the EMAS.
AR2 affirmative to the Alpha.
CommuteAir 4339, any hazardous materials on board?
Negative, CommuteAir 4339.
Roger. Vehicles on the way.
And Skywest 4792, just for planning purposes, they are issuing a NOTAM closure for Roanoke until everything is cleared up. Again, unsure on how long that's going to be. Advised when you'd like your rerouting to Charlotte.
Okay, we'll continue to exhume for now. I'm going to coordinate with the dispatch or passengers. I'll get back to you shortly.
Roger.
And Vehicle 9, from what I understand, no hazardous material on board and no injuries reported.
Copy all. That's good to hear. And yeah, it looks like the EMAS worked as advertised just before we got to the ILS.
All right, excellent. Thank you.